Honestly, if you are like a mauve girl and you're just not into those bright oranges and bright pinks, this Strawberry Latte collection is for you because I don't know if I've seen a more beautiful mauve. And all these different ranges that Huda Beauty has put together, it's like perfect for so many different skin tones. The fact that I can wear this and someone that has a lot darker skin can also wear this collection, they've just nailed it. It's so rich and so beautiful, and it really does look like a beautiful, yummy strawberry latte. So let me show you how I created this look and what shades I selected to achieve this look. Let's get started. In today's video, I am using all the products that I have from the Strawberry Latte collection from Huda Beauty. So I'm going to show you what I have, all the different shades, all the different options, and what I went with today to create this look. So let's get started. First off, let's swap my headband for the adorable little Strawberry Latte hair clip. In this Strawberry Latte look, I have a few different shades here. So I have these all new blush filters, and I have Strawberry Latte. And then I also have Berry Fever. So these might be a little too deep for my skin, but I really want to see what these look like. So let's give these a try. Now on my skin right now, I have my foundation and I have my under eye concealer. I have set my under eye concealer with powder, but since I'm going in with liquid blush, I do not have any bronzer on. I do not have any powder blush on. So we're just going straight in. Oh, look at these colors. So pretty. Ooh. You see me use these liquid blushes all the time, but let's go ahead and try this. Now, this looks really deep. Ooh, I'm a little scared to use this, but let me put a little bit on the back of my hand. I also know that Huda Beauty went and they changed the head a little bit, so you get more product. So I'm even going to be a little bit easier. I'm going to stain my hand. Ooh. I mean, this is like full-on lipstick for me, but I think I can work it. Oh, that's very pigmented. Oh, don't break the head. Okay, I'm a little nervous on the heads. Okay, let's see. Let's try this one. This one is wet. Strawberry latte next to it. Oh, and you're kind of bendy. I don't want to break those heads off. I hope they don't snap off on me. Ooh, is that the right placement? I don't know. It's kind of dark. Let's give it a go. Oh, that's really nice. Look at that. That's like not. Oh, wow. How did that transform like that? That's a beautiful pink. Oh, that's like one of my favorite shades that she has in one of her other blush palettes, but I feel like she just made it in liquid form. That's really pretty. I feel like it does look like a strawberry. It's definitely like a cute strawberry pink. Now we're going to try strawberry latte on top of that just to see. I want to put, I don't know, let's just put a little bit more. Why not? When you blend these out, you want to make sure that you do that pretty quickly because I have noticed wherever you place it is kind of where it's going to stay. So even though that's like strawberry latte, I feel like that one had a little bit more payoff of pink than even the berry. That's very pink, but that's okay. I'm not concerned because I can easily blend this in with my foundation brush. I like to take my blush, and as you can see, I have a dedicated kabuki that just to my blush. And I like to blend that in onto my temples and then up into my hairline. I don't go too low with my blush. I always keep that on the highest point of my cheek. And then I know you've seen this coming into summer. It makes a lot of sense, but you'll just take whatever's left over on your brush and you can just kind of brush that over your nose. And that's going to give you that natural sun-kissed look onto your nose. I don't like to do where it's connected personally, but I think it's okay to do like just a little bit on the bridge of your nose to give you that sun-kissed look. I will say I don't have any bronzer on today because I wanted you to get a true test of what this strawberry latte looks like on. Ooh, it's so nice. I haven't even blended this. So what you'll do is you'll just take your foundation brush with a little bit of the foundation left on, and I like to blend that just into the edges so that it doesn't look too harsh. I am loving this. I barely put any on. Like you saw how much I put on and look at the payoff on that. That is going to last forever. Also in the Strawberry Latte collection, I have a beautiful blush filter palette. Look how beautiful this mauve color is. I'm so happy with this collection. I think it's so cute. But also look at these colors because these colors are a little warm for something that I would personally pick for myself, but I do want to show you what does it look like on my skin tone. This is a diffusing cheek brush. I actually have this one from Huda, but let me just kind of do like the 3 here. I'm gonna do these 3. I also find it a major pet peeve whenever I see makeup artists hit the metal part of their brush on their palette. I feel like that's going to degrade the quality of your brush and the life of your brush, so I always just hit the bristles. That's a side note. Okay, so taking this much on my brush, I'm just going to place this from my temples down onto my cheek. I'm keeping that on the highest point of my cheek. I do not want to drop down any color because wherever you put color is where you are drawing attention. So if you drop your blush below, you're actually dropping your face. And you can easily see how if you keep your blush high up on your cheekbone, it's going to give you a natural lift. It's just beautiful. Your eyes naturally go to where color is. And so just keep that in mind whenever you're putting your blush placement. Oh, so cute. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little shocked that this one kind of works on me. I mean, as long as I blend this out pretty well. Maybe layering those together, I really like the way that it looks. It's really pretty. Again, just blending this out quickly as I can, keeping it up on the highest point of my cheeks, and taking that up into my temples. You'll also notice that I don't bring my blush beyond the center of my pupil, so I tend to keep my blush on the outer side of my cheek. That's my personal preference. That's how I like to apply my blush. And I will also just blend those edges here. You know what's really nice about the fact that Huda Beauty matches her blush filter palettes with her liquid blushes? You really do need to set your liquid blush, and I feel like setting that with a regular powder like the Pound Cake or any of the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powders, it's going to kind of subdue the blush, but I like to go in with a powder blush to set those liquid blushes with the same shade because you really just lock in that color all day long. I don't necessarily want to take blush up onto my forehead, but I do want to add some dimension up there, so I'm just going to take a little bit of a bronzer and blend that in. I do have 3 lip stains here, which I love Huda Beauty's lip stain. This is like my now go-to lip liner contour because it lasts all day. I can just put this on and then I'm just basically putting on a gloss for the rest of the day. So the shades that I have here are warm brown, rich brown, and soft nude. I love all of these, but let's go ahead and open these up and I'm going to show you on the back of my hand. Another one. This is the lightest. Now you'll see the felt tip. You'll see the felt tip here. Oh my god, I can't talk. The felt tip that you have here, you want to store upside down because that way you're going to make sure you're getting the product stored in the bottom. Look how beautiful. Oh, this is like the perfect shade for me. I love this shade. And then next, this one's a little warmer, but this one is the warm brown, hence the name. But still beautiful. It's not too warm. It's just a really beautiful brown. And I even love rich brown. You all will see me use this rich brown quite often because I feel like this is the perfect cool brown. Like if I'm looking for a cool brown and I can pair that with the nice pink, I'll even tell you a little secret. But my favorite lip combo is using the ube with the rich brown. You will see me wear this all the time because it's just like that perfect pink with a nice cool brown liner. So that's my secret, my go-to. But today we're going to use the new ones here. So I'm going to create a look. Let's go in with soft nude. I take my finger. I have lips. This liner is going to stay put all day long. Like, just let this dry. Oh my goodness, you won't have to do anything else. Just to show you like a little bit more dimension, I'm going to go in with the, which one are you? Rich brown. And I'm just going to show you just a little bit more of like an ombre look. So I'm going to take this on the inside corners. So the faux fillers in the Strawberry Latte kit, you can see, resemble more of a concealer style color. So we're talking about a light, a medium, and a rich. I'm going to go with the light. Oh, this side. I'm going to go with the light on top of the look I created here. I'm obsessed with these. These are my favorite go-to every single day lip gloss. I just can't, like, you can't compete with these. Oof, the way that this wand, if that's what you call this little spoolie wand, I don't know, but it grabs the perfect amount of product and oh, it moisturizes. It just loves your lips all day long. And it smells like heaven. Look at this. Ooh, that actually has like some payoff. It's not just clear. There's a color there. Pretty. Look at my lips. They look like a strawberry latte. So good, so good, so good. Let's set everything in place with some Easy Bake setting spray. I also have this adorable strawberry latte little clutch, and then I have this cute little bag charm. So cute. So I'm excited to hook this on my little bag here. Adorable. I have a little matchy with a mirror. So thoughtful. And this is the final look, what it looks like on me using the Strawberry Latte collection. I love it. I love it. I feel so feminine, so beautiful. Such a beautiful strawberry glowy look. Oh, I love it. These lips, I'm obsessed with. I'm obsessed. I think this is just like beautiful color combination and palette together. I love it. I hope you enjoyed this too. What did you like the most? What do you want to try out of this collection? Leave your comment below. Let me know. Also, if you have any questions specifically on the products, how they wear, what I like about them, if there's anything throughout the day that changed, leave your comments below. I'm here and happy to help. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.